Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about Fifth Third Bank. More specifically, I'm going to be showing you how to order checks for Fifth Third Bank. So, a little bit of background on what a check is. It's a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then the person that you're paying deposits the check. Once they've done that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding of what checks are and how they're used, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a voided check or something else that has your bank account number and routing number on it. The first thing you're going to do is open your browser on your mobile device and type in the bank web address. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, any browser, whatever browser you normally use will be just fine. I'm going to be using Safari for this video. As you can see, I'm already on the Fifth Third Bank website, and you can see at the top of the screen the web address, which is 53.com. You can also check out the description for the link to Fifth Third Bank. So the first way to order checks is going to be to log into your Fifth Third Bank account online. You're going to look for the login button on the screen, which is at the top right-hand corner, and click on that. That's going to bring you to this page here where you can enter your user ID and your password. If you don't have a user ID and password, you can click right down here on the register button and then follow the instructions on the screen to complete the enrollment process. Once you're in, you're going to want to click on banking options and order checks online if available. Usually banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way to order checks is going to be to call the customer service phone number for Fifth Third Bank and order them over the phone. You should be able to find this phone number on the back of your debit card. It's also going to be the easiest way to find this phone number. You can also usually find the phone number on the website by looking for a Contact Us page, but sometimes that can be a little tricky. If you happen to know of another way that you can find the customer service phone number, please be sure to let me know in the comments. I do want to let you know that sometimes there will also be an additional fee to use this service to order your checks, and that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them. The third and final way that you can order checks is going to be through a third-party vendor. To do this, simply go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for Fifth Third Bank. I've already got this tab open and I've entered into the description bar already the order replacement checks for Fifth Third Bank. This is going to bring up several different websites that you can order your checks from. BradfordExchangeChecks.com, ChecksWorks, Extra Value Checks, all very popular websites that you can order checks from. Do be aware though that the security features and prices to order checks online from these third-party vendors will vary, but if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order replacement checks for Fifth Third Bank from, be sure to let me know in the comments. Ordering checks through the third-party vendor is also where your voided check copy will come in handy, because you'll need to have your exact Fifth Third Bank account number and routing number. Unlike when you order from the Fifth Third website or through the customer service number, those numbers, your account and routing number, are not going to be automatically loaded and you'll have to provide those yourself. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and please make sure to check out the description for more information on Fifth Third Bank.